አይናችን ብሊንክ ሲያደርግ ወይንም ሲንቀሳቀስ ልባችን ደም ሲረጭ ወይንም ስንሮጥ ይህ ሁሉ በምን እንደሚከናወን አስባችሁ ታውቃላችሁ? ዛሬ በዚህ ቪዲዮ ስር እነዚህን እንቅስቃሴዎች እንዴት እንደምናደርግ የምንመለከት ይሆናል። Temaribet lamchi Temaribet lanta ሰላም ተማሪዎች፣ ይህ ተማሪቤት ነው። በዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ስለ መስኩላር ሲስተም ምንነት፣ ታይፖች እንዲሁም ስለ ፕሮፐርቲዎቹ በተጨማሪም ስለ መስል ዲዚዝ የምናይ ይሆናል። አብራችን ቆዩ። Muscular system, it is one of the part of our organ system. But let's start with the definition of what a muscle is. Muscles are tissues. They are tissues made out of a group of cells. We call them muscle fiber. The specific cell that made the muscle is called muscle fiber. Actually, we have three types of muscles, but totally we have around 600 muscles in our body. But we categorize them into three main groups. The first one is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is a voluntary muscle. Voluntary means in this case, we can control the movement of our muscle. For example, we have biceps and triceps. If we want to stretch our hand, we just control it. It doesn't make it by itself. So that's why we call it voluntary muscle. And when we look the skeletal muscle with a microscope, it has a striped structure. It looks striped. For example, the biceps, triceps, most muscles that found in our skeleton are called skeletal muscles, and which is a voluntary muscle, which is different from both. The second one is a smooth muscle. A smooth muscle found in the wall of internal organs, except our heart. It found in our stomach, kidney, and most part of our intestine, internal organ, except the heart. A smooth muscle is involuntary. Involuntary in this case means we can't control the movement of this muscle. For example, if we eat food and we swallow it, we can't return back it by ourselves. Like we can stretch, we can contract our hands, but we can't control the movement of food inside our body, which is controlled by the smooth muscle. That's why we call it involuntary. We can't control consciously. We can't control it. So most muscles which found in our vital organs, like stomach, kidney, liver, intestine, are found in the smooth muscle. They are part of it. The third one is cardiac. This is a unique muscle which found only in our hearts. As you know, the main job of heart is pumping blood. ወይንም ደምን መርጨት ነው። ስለዚህ cardiac muscle ልባችን ላይ ብቻ የሚገኝ ነው። ከስሙዝ መስል ይለያል። But still, the cardiac muscle is also involuntary. For example, we can't control our heartbeats. And what makes it unique is this muscle never tired. Never tired means like it works 24/7. If our heartbeat stops, that means the person or the animal is already gone. So this type of muscle is never tired, but this makes a little bit different from the smooth one. But both of them are involuntary. We can't control them. Okay, now let's come to the properties of muscular system. The muscular system has basically four basic properties. Let's see them. The first one is contractility. Contractility means the ability to shorten. For example, now I stretch my hand. If I contract it, it's shortened. The biceps become shortened in this case. This shows that the property of contractility. The other property is extensibility, which is the opposite of contractility. When we bend our hand, it contracts, but when we stretch it, it also relaxes. So the ability to stretch or relax, we call it extensibility, or relax, stretch or relax. This is another property of the muscle. Both are actually the skeletal types. The third one is excitability. This means our muscle is able to respond to a stimulus or nerve message when we feel something hot, cold, our nerve give message. So in that case, our muscle give response. That we call it ability to stimulus. Now the last property of the muscular system is elasticity. This means it's able to return to its original position. For example, if I contract, it gets back to the original position. It doesn't keep rigid. This property, we call it elasticity. It can stretch, it can relax, and also contract, and it can keep it as original position. This property we call it elasticity. Now, let's come to the function of muscular system and the disease. Okay, now let's come to the function of muscular system. Muscular system actually have different function, but let's see the most common function of the muscular system. One of it is movement. As we observed, the cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and the skeletal muscle, they help to pull on bones to move our limb, especially the skeletal muscle help to move our bones, like our biceps, triceps, and also cardiac muscle, it helps to move blood throughout our body. That's also another job. The other one is stability and posture. The muscular system help to hold our body in a specific position. It's help to keep, like when we sit, when we stand, just it's support. The other job of muscular system is heat production. When we do exercise with our muscle, they produce heat. So it helps to regulate our body temperature. When we get cold and when we do exercise with our muscles, it helps to produce heat. This is another job. And the last one is circulation. This is specifically focused on the cardiac muscle, which help to pump blood throughout our body. So this is the main function of the muscular system. Now let's come to the common muscular diseases that occur with different factors. The first one is muscle strain. This occurs when muscles are overstretched, especially when we do exercise like lifting heavy objects, especially bodybuilders when they do exercise. And in case if it happens, like overstretching of the muscle, we call this muscle strain. Like hamstring, even football players also, when they play the game, it occurs. So this is what you call it muscle strain. The other one is muscular dystrophy. ይሄኛው ደግሞ በዘር የሚተላለፍ inherited disease ነው። በዘር የሚወረስ ወይንም ከጀነሬሽን ቱ ጀነሬሽን ወይንም አንድ ቤተሰብ ወደ ሌላ ሊወረስ የሚችል ሊተላለፍ የሚችል ህመም ነው ማለት ነው። ይህ ህመም ምልክቱ ሞር የአጥንት መዳከም እና less flexible rigid የመሆን መስሉ ያለ መንቀሳቀስ ችግር የሚያጋጥም ነው። ስፔሻሊ እድሜን በገፋ ቁጥር ሊያጋጥም ይችላል። ከዚህ በተጨማሪ ላይክ በህፃናት ላይ ደግሞ የፖሊዮ ክትባት የሚባለውም ለዛ ነው። ፖሊዮም ከመስል ጋር የተገናኘ ዲዝ ከአጥንትና ከመስል ጡንቻ ጋር የተገናኘ ነው። የአጥንት ልምሻ ወይንም ህፃናት በቂ ኑትሪየንትስ ካላገኙ እንደ ፖሊዮ አይነት ህመም ያጋጥማል። እሱም ከመስኩላር ዲዚዝ ጋር የሚገናኝ ነው ማለት ነው። በዛሬው ቪዲዮአችን ስለ መስኩላር ሲስተም ምንነት፣ ታይፖች፣ ፋንክሽን እንዲሁም ፕሮፐርቲ አይተናል። በተጨማሪም ስለ ኮመን መስኩላር ዲዚዝ አይተናል። ቪዲዮ እንደጠቀማችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ቪዲዮውን ከወደዳችሁት ለጓደኞቻችሁ ሼር እንዲሁም ሐሳብ አስተያየታችሁን እንድታስቀምጡልኝ ጠይቃለሁ። በተጨማሪም የተማሪቤት ዩቲዩብ፣ ፌስቡክ፣ ቴሌግራም እና ቲክቶክ ፔጃችንን ጆይን እያደረጋችሁ በቀጣይ ቪዲዮ እስከምንገናኝ ድረስ ባይ ባይ።